This spring and summer you can fill your garden with colour by planting things like gazanias, petunias and one of my favourites, marigolds. Now this hot sunny spot gets baked in the middle of summer, but gazanias and petunias will love that. I've already put some in here that are thriving, but I can see some spots where I need to put some more in. So let's do that now. I love gazanias. They're tough, they're hardy, and their flowers are bright and bold. So these hardy perennials are perfect for that really tricky spot in your garden. Petunia Niagara Falls produces masses of white, lilac and dark and light blue flowers throughout the warmer months in a sunny spot. Trim back after the first flush of blooms to encourage repeat flowering. And of course, don't just confine flowers to the flower bed or to decorative pots. I love to pop them into the veggie garden too. And these marigolds, well, they're bright and cheery, but they also bring in the beneficial bugs.